Now we turn to trials that are ongoing and brand new. Cobalt Water developed the N2O Risk Decision Support System, or DSS, which is an artificial intelligence and machine learning platform for accounting for, reducing and monitoring N2O emissions from wastewater treatment works. The N2O Risk DSS combines expert knowledge on N2O and machine learning to quantify emissions, optimize the treatment process, and eliminate N2O emissions. By focusing on and actually reducing N2O emissions, water utilities can effectively lower their greenhouse gas emissions. The N2O Risk DSS also improves process efficiency and stability, which saves utilities money. The technology user in this case, Purecontrol, is an automation company for water management and energy optimization. This trial is taking place in Rennes Metropole in France. The goal of this trial is to demonstrate repeatable and scalable results at multiple facilities. First, a historical data analysis is conducted. After that, mitigation activities are defined, measurements are initiated, mitigation actions are undertaken, and the greenhouse gas reduction is measured. If the trial at the first site in Rennes is successful, then Purecontrol will take a multi-site subscription with Cobalt Water. Last week, I was able to speak to the people involved in this project at both companies. I asked them what they'll be doing for this particular trial and what they hope the immediate and longer-term outcomes of it will be.
For this particular trial, we'll be implementing the platform for predicting N2O emissions, risk, and recommended dissolved oxygen concentrations, but implemented through Purecontrol's advanced control solution platform. And Purecontrol will be incorporating our AI and machine learning insights into their platform to control the process and balance water quality, energy, and N2O emissions. Purecontrol intends to implement this in their platform for multiple sites for Rennes Metropole water utility in France. What we're trying to achieve through this trial is what we already know we can achieve based on experience, which is reducing N2O emissions by 80 to 90%. Therefore, we expect significant N2O reduction via Purecontrol solution. The reason why the trial reservoir makes sense for this application is because reducing N2O is a new problem, and our technology is a new technology. So for water utilities, this is extra risk because it is two things that they have no experience with. However, by offering risk-free trials through the trial reservoir, the risk is eliminated, which allows adoption of the innovation and scaling the climate impact that we need for the planet.
Here at Purecontrol, we developed a real-time control solution based on artificial intelligence to optimize different processes. This has been implemented in hundreds of wastewater treatment plants across France and primarily targets the optimization of aeration. Our results show stable and compliant effluent quality and significantly reduced energy demand with the reduction of the related greenhouse gas emissions. These are indirect emissions, and now we are targeting the direct emissions, starting with nitrous oxide, which has been shown to account for the majority of carbon footprint of the wastewater treatment plants. With this collaboration with Cobalt Water, we are planning to integrate their expertise on N2O modeling. Cobalt Water is developing a decision support system regarding the optimal dissolved oxygen concentration in the aeration tank to minimize the N2O emissions. So in our current project, we are aiming to integrate this decision support system into our control solution. We started this pilot project in the trial reservoir with the largest facility of Rennes Metropole in Brittany, France, which is a 350,000 population equivalent facility. And we plan to extend it further plants as well. As in the upcoming years, the monitoring and the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions and increasing energy efficiency is expected in the European Union according to a new proposal of the Urban Wastewater Treatment Directive